In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove line breaks on Wix and fix broken text that refuses to stay on the same line. This is a super common issue, especially if you're copying and pasting text or editing layouts in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly fix unwanted line breaks and make your text look clean and professional. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the Wix editor or Wix Studio, navigate to the page where the text issue is happening. Look for the text element that has the line break problem, where the text suddenly drops to the next line, even though there seems to be enough space. Now, click directly on the text element to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear around the text. This box controls how the text flows. One of the most common reasons for unwanted line breaks is that the text box itself is too narrow, so the first thing you should do is move your cursor to the edge of the text box until you see the resize handle. Click and drag the edge outward to expand the text box horizontally. As you expand it, watch the text closely. In many cases, the text will automatically snap back into a single line once there's enough room. If expanding the text box fixes the issue, great, you're already done. But if the text is still breaking onto a new line, then there's likely a manual line break inside the text itself. This usually happens when someone presses the Enter key instead of letting the text wrap naturally. To fix this, double-click inside the text box so you can edit the text. Place your cursor right at the beginning of the second line, where the text breaks. Now, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will remove the hidden line break and pull the text back up into the same line. You should see the text instantly realign. If the text still doesn't behave correctly, slowly move the cursor around and look for extra spaces or additional line breaks. Sometimes there can be more than one break, especially if the text was pasted from another source, like a document or email. Continue using backspace to remove those breaks until the text flows naturally. Another helpful tip is to check alignment and text settings. With the text element selected, look at the text formatting options in the editor toolbar. Make sure the alignment is set correctly and that there aren't any unusual spacing or width restrictions applied to the element. Keeping your text boxes flexible and properly sized will help prevent this issue in the future. Once everything looks good, click outside the text box to preview how it appears on the page. Resize the editor window if needed to make sure the text stays on one line across different screen sizes. And that's it. You've successfully removed line breaks on Wix and fixed broken text in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time or frustration, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Wix tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.